The rise of the Abbasids, a new dawn for Islamic civilization, as the Umayyad world began to fracture under political strain, spiritual dissatisfaction, and ethnic tensions. Something remarkable stirred beneath the surface of the Islamic world, a quiet intellectual and social revolution that would erupt into history as the Abbasid Caliphate, one of the most culturally transformative empires the world had ever seen. This chapter marks the turning of an epoch, a moment where Islam's early political struggles gave way to a golden age of knowledge, philosophy, and scientific evolution that would redefine civilization. When the Abbasid supporters rallied around the prophetic bloodline of Al-Abbid, the uncle of Prophet Muhammad, they didn't merely seek political power, they sought a return to justice, equality, and the intellectual curiosity that lay at the heart of Islam's earliest years. Their ascent was sudden, dramatic, and painted with shadows. From secret gatherings in Kufa to black banners rising over the horizon, symbolizing both rebellion and renewal. When Abu al-Abzalsaf seized control in 750 CE, he did more than end the Umayyad dynasty. He opened the gates for an era that would champion scholars over swordsmen, books over brutality, and wisdom over warfare. The new Abbasid capital, Baghdad, founded in 762 CE by Caliph al-Manar, was not chosen merely for strategic reasons. It was envisioned as a sanctuary for intellect. The city would grow into a magnificent circular metropolis, where philosophers, poets, physicians, mathematicians, astronomers, architects, translators, and theologians converged. Here the rulers did something revolutionary. They institutionalized curiosity. Scholars who once worked in isolation under dim lamps were now funded lavishly, honored publicly, and invited into palatial halls to debate ideas that would one day shape algebra, optics, surgery, geography, and political theory. Under the Abbasids, knowledge became a global pursuit, cultivated, protected, and exported to the world. This chapter sets the stage for what is coming next, the rise of the House of Wisdom, the world's greatest intellectual institution of the Middle Ages, where the human mind broke barriers thought impossible.